Hello, boys and girls. Hello, hello, hello. Uh, uh, it is time for me to stream. Oh my god. Mm. Gotta wake up, gotta wake up. Let me just figure this out and then we'll begin. Okay. That's good. The stream is working. Everything seems fine. Okay. Okay, great. Where have we left off? What was happening? By the way, I figured out what was wrong with my GitHub. I basically just had to log in using what was like this command, like using the GitHub CLI. I forgot I actually logged in that way. And okay, let's see. Oh yeah, we removed the erasable syntax only. Maybe I investigate today, but for now I want to code. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I remember. Okay, so we are working on steps in the profile creation. Okay, and yeah, we started. What was it? Yeah. Okay. Skills, quests, finish. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Uh, Yeah. Okay. What hell? What do we plan on doing today? What what do we want to do? No, wait. Go like this. Okay. Okay. Yeah, we have. Okay, starting daily finish. Cool. I will probably remove just see this. I'll probably remove the statuses and I'll have it be controlled instantly by the steps component. I'm thinking about doing it like that. So when you move, you approximately know where you are at the moment, right? Since I will completely allow user to go back and forth, like, why not? Right? Why not? Because only at the end, at the finish, we get the actual finish. Here's where you send every single detail to the backend. Right. So, let's see. So yeah, I removed that. Okay. Let's have fun with the form and the store. Let's have fun. Let's have some fun right here. So what I want every single. I want the form to go into form data, right? I don't want in this store. I don't want. Wait, how do I explain this? For every single input, I don't want to create. I mean, I want to create. Okay. Let me just. You'll see. You'll see what I mean. So I will have a separate form data. So let's say interface form data, and here we have name, for example, string, and then that form data will be here. It's going to be empty for now. So we have form data, which will be form data. This is what I mean. This is what I mean. And we'll have something like not here, sorry, not here, but we'll have something like so const initial form data. We'll have initial form data, which will have name, which will be empty, right? It's empty. And then we are using it here. And that works, right? Yeah. Okay. And that works. And we'll have the same for everything else. So, I didn't use harpoon at all. Harpoon the file. Okay, I did. So harpoon quick menu. We have that one. Yep. And then I go to form and I want to harpoon this one. And then I just go from 1 to 2. Okay, cool. This should be probably much more readable because we have a separate, basically just a separate variable, nothing else. I didn't separate it much, but separate value. So, I mean, separate variable. It looks nice. It looks nice. It looks modern. Okay, let's see. We have first name, last name, nickname. We don't have a name. We have a first name, we have a last name, and we have a nickname. Nickname, okay. Let's take all of these, go here, go like this, change this to this, this to this, and this to this. And yeah, we need this. Okay. What else do we have? Nickname. We have date of birth. This is a date. It's gonna create some problems. I can feel it. And we have a profile picture. The picture will be, gonna be a tricky one. It's gonna be a tricky one. Let's not do it for now. Yeah, I have mixed feelings about it. I don't know how comfortable I am to have someone's image constantly there. Even though it would be nice for an avatar, and people already use it a lot. Sure. Yeah. Okay. I convinced myself. Okay, so we have nickname, date of birth, profile picture. Date of birth, which is just a date. It's like this. Like that? Yep, it's like that. Cool. Go here, go here. What? I forgot. What's the date? Was it date? Was it date? Okay, let's go or null. And let's go null. But It's not. No, it's not returning exactly date. It should be day.js. The type. Yeah, I have to. Yeah, I probably have to install it. Uh, it's weird because if I want to actually use it in my application, I need to install it. But if only Antada is gonna use it, it doesn't have to be installed because it's in the dependencies and so on. So, okay, go like this. Yep. Okay. Okay, we have date of birth and profile picture. Profile picture, I think. Go with null for now. Let's have it here. Null. Now, thing is, I need to see. I think it returns file. I think it returns file. Upload. But I'm not 100% sure. Was it a file or was it a list of files? That's what I'm thinking about, right? Okay. For upload. I think it's file. I think it's just file. Mm. 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 I know how we can check. I know how we can check actually. Is it? It's probably easier to just read, but show upload list progress. But I don't know how we'll store. I can show you how I check. It's quite simple actually. I just go to the form. Okay, something fucked up. Okay, that works. I go here. I go const file. We go equals form use watch, and we name it, and we pass in the form instance, and then we console.log file, and we console.log type of file. We need both, and just making sure that's the correct name. Here it is. Okay, great. I hope I have something to download, to upload actually. Maybe I don't. Okay, let's see. Go this, go here, open the console log, go upload. Do I have anything? I don't have there anything. Maybe in downloads? No. Maybe in documents? No. Maybe in pictures? No. Wallpapers, for sure. Okay, that's videos. Wallpapers? No. Work? No. No. Okay, I'll download something. I don't know. Image. We go to the image and we get the image and we download the image. Wait, what are you doing? Save image, downloads, and go here, go to downloads, and there it is. Okay, select. Error connection refused. Why? Also, it's a red, which means there's an error. Yeah. Okay, so why? I think because of the action, because it's empty. Huh? Maybe that's the problem. Oh no. Wait. No. What do you mean, Lai? No. I don't want that. I do not want that. Thank you very much. Oh, something break. Something broke. Huh. Interesting. Undefined, undefined. And the upload value is not the valid prop. Ah, okay. Value prop name. File? Can I go file? Can I go file? That's the question. Uh, let's see. File looks to work. Looks like it works. There's a cannot post for a one. Okay, I'll fix that, but I do. Okay, I do get a file. See? Okay, but it's an object. So it's not just a file. There's a file and there's a file list. Yep. Yep. And I know why there's a error. It's because of the action. Let's see. Action. Yeah. File tabs. Okay. Uploading URL. But I don't need. I don't need it uploaded anywhere. Can I go action? Empty action? Can I do it like this? Is this the correct way? Let's test it again. No. No. Cannot post profile creation. I know, but I don't want you to post profile creation. Action, accept custom request. Override for the default, allowing for additional built-in plan your own HTML request. Let's try. Let's go. Okay. Custom request. Make it empty. Leave it empty. You can't leave it empty. Can I null it? No. I can just go this and what? Leave it in theater. Do this. And that should override the old one. There might be a better way to solve this. Okay, so there's no, it's still loading, It's, oh my god. There's gotta be a way, there's gotta be a better way for this. Custom request, class name, default file list, no. Disable it. File list of files have been uploaded. Okay, headers, icon render, is image URL, item render, list type, max count, method. The HTTP method of upload request, multiple name, open file, pastable, preview file, progress, show upload list style with credentials on change on drop on download on preview and remove. I don't see it. 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 Mm. Huh. This is annoying. This is annoying. Let's see. Let's see. Let's Google. Let's Google. How to no. Until the upload stop upload to URL. Try it like this. Okay, or use to fully control the upload behavior. Okay, remove action. This is false. Okay, like that? Huh. I tried that. I did use null, but... Oh, this is void. So that should work. Technically. Okay, that was close. I was really close. Let's see. Upload. Select. No, it's still uploading. See? It is still uploading. And why though? Why? Huh. Hmm. Okay. You can save limited if no upload is needed. I did, but before upload to false. This one somehow I doubted. Return false, huh? Yeah. This I doubt it. I really doubt it. There's no way that works. Go here, go here. Wait, it actually worked. Holy fuck. Holy shit. That actually worked. Okay. Why? So that uploaded directly. My idea was that if I go with before upload, it will just stop anything. We're just returning false, right? So it won't even go to the, it won't even add it to the component itself. I was wrong though. I was wrong. Okay. Value prop name file. Okay, what if I do the file list? File list for origin is not a function. Wait, why? Huh. Okay. Interesting. Anyways, let's go here. File list name pasteable. There's no file. Upload by click. Uploading default files. Select default file list. Upload prosps. Okay. Change file list. Okay. Okay. File is fine. Okay. If we have any issues, we will use before upload to resolve those issues. So knowing that you can just return false, we can create a function handle before upload. which will accept file and file list, and then do something with it. For example, set form value with the file, and it's going to be file, and then return false. The important thing is to return false, because then it's gonna stop the actual upload, right? Okay. Okay, we don't need that. Yeah. Okay. What do we now? What do we do now? What do we do now? I want to finish this one. Profile picture being null. It's an object with a file and a file list. Go like here. We go type profile picture, and we go file, which is it's a file, and file list, which is a list of files. Oh yeah. Is declared but never used. Fair enough. And we go here. We go profile picture, or null. Actually, or undefined. Let's make it null. Okay, now with all of that created, we'll go to the form. We will take the form data from creation store, and we will have it here passed to the form. Initial data should be initial values from data. Okay, so now if we fill the let's say we fill the first name with Nicola, that is my name by the way, we should see it in the form right away. There it is. There it is, baby. There it is. There it is. It works. Nice. Like that. Nice. Oh my god. Okay, what's next? Okay. What's next? What is next? What do we want to do? Okay, sorry chat, I spaced out. Okay. What do we do? What's next? What's next? We need a function that will set the values here right away. So when the form changes, when the values change, I want to set it directly to the... actually, do I need that? Yeah, I do. I do. Yeah, I do. Do I? Wait, do I need that? Wait, do I need any of this? Wait, let me test that. Are we going to use this? Are we going to use this for anything? For example, for editing the profile later on? We probably will. Probably will. We probably will. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Let's leave it. I'm thinking. I'm pondering. So we are. So if we use it for edit, for actual edit later on, when users have their whatever, right, when users have a created profile and everything else, if we actually use this component for edit as well, then we need all of this, because we'll probably need to... No, we won't need. Because we can just fill the form. Nothing else. Like, oh my god, I have some second thoughts right now. I just want to test something. Is this lost on change? It is. Okay. Okay. No more second thoughts. I have a clear. Just a second. My frames are dropping for some reason. I don't know why. I think bitrate is too high. Okay. Yeah, we need it. It is decided that we need it, because this value is gonna reset every time that users change the actual, like, they go from user info to starting skills back to daily quest or something like that. These are all going to reset. To prevent that, there's two things that we can do. We can change how we are doing this. So instead of rendering conditionally like this, because this, as I mentioned in the previous video, this actually removes it from the DOM completely. And since it's removed from the DOM, it loses everything it had. So state is lost. Well, state is lost. Everything else is gatherable, right? Like props. It's not gonna lose props. It's gonna get them again. But every state is lost. And with the state lost, with the store lost, with form lost, it's going to reset every time. But there's another way to not remove it from the DOM. No. Wait. I just remembered that React has a, what was it, activity or something like that? React activity component. Yep. Okay, activity lets you hide and restore the UI and internal state of its children. That is it. That is it. That's gonna be. Oh yeah. Actually, forgot about this one. So go here, activity from React. Nice. Go like this. Okay. And then we have what? We have mode. We have hidden and we have visible. Nice. Okay. Okay, we go like this. We can copy this. Sorry. Wait. We can copy this one. Go here, paste it, and then go like this. And if it is, then it's visible. If it's not, then it's hidden. And that's it. Huh. So simple. So simple, it's so effective. Alright. Activity. We have skills here. Then we can copy the mode, go back, go here, go like this, and then go to the form, and we have skills here. Skills here. We can copy this whole thing, remove that. No. Sorry, remove that, copy it here, go back to the mode, go back, go skills, actually it's quests now. And the last one is finish. Here, and we go back to quest, it's finish here. And then we can remove this, we can remove this, we can remove this, we can remove this, and we can remove this. That should work. That should work. And now it should display. And it's skills, nice. Quests, great. Finish. We go back to user info. Now, as advertised, it should preserve the state. Nice. Great. Okay, to escape any additional bloat, we don't need this. Actually, we do need this. No, we don't need this. We do not need this. So when it comes to edit, I will gladly just add everything. Like it's going to be a simple set. It's going to be something like a use effect, and in this use effect we'll have so based on some data we will have the form that set fields value data. It's gonna be something like this. That's gonna be enough for the thingy. We don't need a separate data in the store because that's too much data. We are using too much resources, and as good developers we do not want that. We want everything to make sense, and well, we want everything to make sense, right? You know, resources are scarce. Even though we are living in abundance, trust me, resources are scarce, especially with the, I mean, there's a RAM shortage. Okay. So we prepared the form. We did not prepare the form because this and this, we don't need any of that. Good. We don't need that as well. Okay. So now, what's next? Okay, so we added. Okay, so we removed that. We remembered the activity. It's such a nice touch. I mean, this is the biggest advantage of React and the biggest flaw. Every simple thing is everything has to be a component. Everything has to be, fancy schmancy. I don't know how to explain it the best, but for example, this first, so this activity can be written like this. So we have a div, and we have this inside. I'm repeating this so much. It's driving me crazy. We have a style, we have a display inside, and then we just use a current step. And if it's the same as the form, which is 0, just to not write everything, we're going to be block. And if it's not, then it's not. And that's it. This is it. This is activity. Why did it? Actually, it's not none. I think it's not none. It's something else, but you understand. No, it actually is none. Oh my god. Yeah, and and that's the biggest strength and the biggest weakness of React. Everything needs to be a component. But okay, alas, I digress. Let's go back here. What do we have? Okay, we have that. Daily quests, finish. Basically have nothing, but we will have everything soon. Don't you worry about it. Now let's commit this. Let's go lazy git. Because we are lazy. Okay, let's do this. Commit with installing the JS. That is fine. It's good enough. Okay, so we removed the steps. No, we removed the statuses from steps. Okay, I can commit this. Used new activity component. I hope it's new. I think it's new. It's not in React 18. No, it's React 19. React 19. How new is that? Activity. It's not said here. Okay. Okay. And let's go this commit. Removed statuses from steps, and what else we do? Fixed file upload. Okay, and let's go here. Let's push that. Nice. Okay. We pushed that. What is next? What is next that we have to do? Do we go with skills now? Do we create a blissful, a great way to create skills? Or we go for the quests? I think we go for the quests. I think go for the quest. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, quest's gonna be easy. Will it? Sure, but it will, right? There's a in the upload. No, in the upload. In the under the form, there is like add more. Let's see. Form size, what hook validate only, dynamic form should be yeah, it's like right here. Add field, right? Yeah. We'll use this probably. I mean, not probably, definitely. Why would I use anything else? Dynamic form nested items. Okay. Yeah. And you can remove Yeah, you can remove and add. Ooh, damn. That's nice. That's nice. And then for the component, we'll probably have something like, I want an input, but I also want a drop down. Yeah, I'll have to think about that. I'll have to think about that because what I'm picturing, what I'm picturing, I need. Okay, wait. Let me just do this. What was it? Scully draw, I think. Yeah. Okay, that's it. Yep. Yeah. Let me just change the background, please, 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 please. No. Okay. Yeah. There it is. Okay. Blissful dark theme. Let me. I will show you what I mean on here. Where is the cable? Wait, where's my pen? Where's my pen? Okay, the cable is here. That's fine. No, but seriously, where is the pen? Give me 1 second, chat. Found it. Oh no. It won't work. No, it will. Nice. So, you have an input, right? This is an input. You type in, go like this. You'll have a drop down with suggested. But if you don't like the suggested, you want to add your own. Hmm. Wait, do I want to do that? So weird. But do I actually want to do that? Hmm. 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 Or do we want a suggested list behind and then a new list here? And suggested will come from other users. Or we have existing skills and then new skills, right? What are we gonna do? Yeah, I'm not really sure. Hmm. I'm not really sure. Oh my god, by the way, I just noticed that my music is not going. Oh my god, my music was off. Let me know if you don't like the music. I can turn it off. No problem. Uh, yeah. Yeah, I don't know what to do. And this is why I'll go with the quest first. Quests are much more straightforward. There will be only this, something like that. let's add this. Yep. Okay. What? What happened to my Brave? No. Yeah, restore. Thank you. Thank you. Can I get the dark? Thank you. Okay. Let's see. No. Yeah. Okay, it's from that list. There's a label. There's index. Ooh. Fancy. Can I copy everything? Okay, great. Let's go here. Let's go to the quests. Go here. Okay. This goes on top. That. Just remove that and go back and just we will export that. Go up there. We don't need that. We don't need on finish. We don't need a form layout. Will have to be another form. That is true. That is true. Go to the back. Let's see. Yeah, this should be fine. Form layout without label, no. On finish again, no. Okay, name for the form. Name for the form quests. While we are here, let's add it to the harpoon. Let's go. These were steps. This form needs a name as well. Name profile. Okay. Now go here. Okay, we have quests. Quest. Name for the list. Okay, then form item layout. We don't need that. We don't need that. Can remove this. Rules. At least 2 passengers. No, you see, no, you don't need any quests. I'll let you decide on the quests. If you don't want it, you don't want it, man. Whatever you choose to do, man. Let's go layout vertical. Yeah. Let's remove the style. Why is that there? I'm not sure. Okay. Again, no. Add field. Yeah. Add field at head. Sure. Okay, we have the index. And then the label. Yeah. Let's no. It's gonna be horizontal. Yeah, I think. Okay, so label. It's gonna be something like daily quest. No. Sorry. We need the T. Everything's gonna be internazionale. It's gonna be T. What do we have here? Profile creation trans. Yeah. Let's try just form profile because we'll have more forms. Okay. We have that there. We have that there. Here we'll have profile creation trans dot form quests dot 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 quest, with the default being daily quest tap count. And then wait, I need options like this. And this is the default value. And then we have count here, which will be index plus 1. Okay, I'll probably need that. I won't, because yeah, the form gonna do that automatically. Okay. While they trigger on chain on blur, maybe. Is it required? It's not required. I don't need that. The placeholder. Quest index plus 1. Index plus 1. Style. We don't need no style here. It's gonna be a simple input. That is fine. Remove it. Yes, yes, yes. Doesn't need the name. That is good. That is good. We have the add field, add quest. Add first quest. No. 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 No, no, no. We don't need that. We don't need errors. And we don't need a submit button. We don't need errors. They are... what the hell did I do? What is happening? What? No. I just want to... Okay. D. F. No. What? Okay. I don't know. I don't know what's happening. This is fine. Add quest. Bum bum bum. We don't need this. We don't need... I don't know. What's dash though? What's dash? What even is dash? Go to the quests. No, 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 not to the steps. To the wrapper. And we have here profile creation quests. It's like that. It's like that. It's like that. Meaning, yeah. Let me just update the wrapper again with everything. So profile creation, profile creation skills, and we have profile creation finish here. Profile creation finish. Not this, and remove this. Okay. Let's see how that looks. I can use this. Okay, let's refresh just in case. So we have user info. It looks fine. Starting skills. nothing. And quests. Add quest. Daily quest 1. Daily quest 2. Daily quest 3. Daily quest 4. Daily quest 5. Remove. 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 Next step. Previous step. It remembers everything. Nice. Finish. Great. Great. Okay. A couple of things here. First one, it's not okay. So this minus this thing needs to go on top. By the okay, remembers. On top. What did I say? No, it needs to be in line, right? It's just better. Beautiful, more beautiful, beautifuler. That's the first thing. The second thing is what? What is the second thing? There is no second thing. Is there? Yeah, let's make it like that. So, how do we want to do it? Formulas.quest. This shouldn't be a non-style. Do we make it? Actually, let's make this text area with 3 rows. Make it a text area with 3 rows, and let's style it max width 220 pixels. That's too low. Wait, what did I removed something which made it on the right side. What did I remove? Oh, it's this probably, no? When you add a field, was that the thing that I removed? Oh no, it was 60. It was 60%. What's happening? What is happening? So there was a style. Well, I already forgot what it was. Was it max or was it just width? It was just width. 60%. But I don't see how that works. And it doesn't, yeah. There was something else. 100%. I think it's the no way. What? Okay, something is going on. I don't really understand the laptop yet, 100%. And sometimes it's a bit difficult to work with it. But that's fine. Add quest, add quest, add quest. Okay, 60% I do like. Let's make it. I mean, the fastest way that I think can be done is with the flex. What? Like what? Right. And now it should be right. Yeah, it's like that. It's like that. But now for some reason it's not 100%. Okay. There's something weird going on here. I don't like it. Let's align at the start. Okay. And let's add it. And let's add the style. Let's go width. And let's go 100%. Okay, that's not good. That's not good. I think it's doing the weird flex thing with the stretch and no stretching. Okay, yeah. Display flex, sure, but why is it not 100%? Does it add by default? And form item, no. Let's row one. Interesting. Maybe if I add a style flex one. No. No. Oh no, because I added the style to the input instead of the item. Yeah. Okay. Okay, quick fix, quick fix. I wonder, the no style, did that have any effect? It did actually. Huh. Interesting. What about if I remove the flex now? Okay, but it's not, the button is not next to it. Okay, we can do it like this. Yep, okay, cool. We just add a small gap of, let's say, 8 pixelironos. I think we can remove that. We can. Nice. Great, great, great. Do we align it to the middle? No, 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 that's fine. And for the end, let's remove that. Let's add the style. Let's make it font size 24. 24 is that's massive. That's massive. Let's go with 16. Let's go with 20. Okay, that's good. That's good. That is what I like. Okay. Before moving on, I want to just try something. Let me just go here. Let me go. Let me try font color. Color fill content, color info text. No. Font size, color. Go color. Just BG. I don't want BG. I don't care about BG. Color border, color error, color fill. Just between the second and third level of fill color. Color fill content, color highlight, color icon. Color info text. Default state of text color of information color. What information color? Can I make this white? No, that's not it. That's not it. I do want color, like basic color, color of everything. Color primary text. Text color under the main color gradient. No. Not success. Color text. That's it. Yes. Yes. Okay. Visible. It's actually visible. Yeah, I don't see the the button is not visible though. Okay, let's just make it primary for now. For everyone wondering, the styling will be done later on. I don't like it, so I just push it away. Especially because I have to invent everything, and it would be easier if I had just some design lying around here, but I don't. So yeah, I have to struggle. It's unlucky. Gonna be primary. Is that color primary? Maybe. No, it's not. It's type primary, I know, but okay, that's fine. It's not gonna be primary later on, but for now. Input danger. How does this work? Okay. Okay, what is okay? That is fine. That is fine. I mean, the quests, they're simple. They're simple, right? And if you want, and if you are typing a lot, and you want just a little bit more, there it is. Great. Okay, so those are the quests. Those are the quests. I think that's done. Is that done? I'm thinking. I think that's done. No? I think it is. No. The one of the problems that I see right now is that I will have 3 different forms, and I know there's a way to get values from a certain form with a name, but there is a chance we won't be able to get every single value from every form, and that's why we'll have our store ready and loaded. Maybe I will return this if I don't create it again. Right. Let's just leave this here. You never know. You never know. Maybe we want it. Maybe we don't. We'll see. But it's good to have it for now. Okay. Okay, so quests. Now I just want to see, does this work? Let's create a instance of a form. Form that use form. That's our instance, and then we go quests. Now we want to watch the form. No, actually, we don't want to watch the form. We want to get all the values of the form. Let's watch it. Let's watch it and get the quest, and it's in the form. And let's console.log quests. That's gonna be simple. I just want to see, does it work? Nothing else. Nothing huge. I just want to see, does it work? Go to the quests. Add a quest. A props object containing a key prop is being spread into JSX. Okay. React must be passed directly to JSX without using spread. Did I not remove something? I do have this spread here. Interesting. Okay, we'll see it. No. Go back. It is undefined. it's undefined. Why? Because I did not pass the instance of the form. Right. I'm a big dum dum. I'm a big dum dum. Big dum dum. Okay. Go again. Go to the quests. Go to the daily quests. Add a quest. It's undefined. Inside it says undefined. We're tapping in. There it is. We add another quest. There's 2 quests inside. There's 3 quests inside. Great. Okay, we have the quests. We have the quests. Wait, what was the what was the complaint? A prop subject containing a key prop is being spread into the JSX. Okay. React must be passed directly to JSX without using spread. Oh, you need to pass the key, right? Huh. Okay. Okay. So if you go here, field dot key. This should remove the complaint. I mean the error. It's actually complaint. Yep. Yep. Okay, great. It's a complaint because it's not breaking. But it might break. Okay. Okay, we did that. We added that. We created that. We changed that. We went back to this. Okay, let me just so I don't forget later on. Add quest. There's a profile creation trends. Form quests. Add. Okay. Okay. Tomorrow? Before we go to tomorrow, let me just commit this. Yeah. Let me commit this and go here. Lazy git. Let's see. So we updated the wrapper. We updated the wrapper. Okay. We updated the form. Okay. Okay, let's go. Let's commit one by one. So we have the page wrapper. Let's commit it with added color. And a default color for text. Not finished. Yeah, let's just do it like that. Go with this and this. These two are connected. And let's add this as well. So we have the form, which is okay. Updated form, updated profile creation form, store, and wrapper. And then we go here, updated translations in profile creation, creating form for more descriptive naming. Sure. We go to the store, prepare initial data for profile form in case we need it later on. And then we have the wrapper, used components for profile, skills, and quests. Profile, skills, quests, and finish inside the wrapper. That's our commit. And here we have updated quest component with actually it's not updated, it's finished. It's created actually. It's created. Finished. Profile creation quests with form list and text area components. Okay, go here, no, go here, and we push that, and we're done. Nice. Okay. Now tomorrow we are finishing skills, and we are finish. And after that, we are finally building some real APIs. I want to get back to the backend, have this sweet APIs working here. Great. That's it for now, boys and girls. I will see you tonight. I'll finally be streaming Tarkov, even though my computer is not built for that. It's not good enough, but I will do it anyways. I want to have fun on that game. Yeah, that's it. It was a fun little meeting we had right here. Anyways, see you guys tomorrow.